Okay, so I've been asked to remove all these emails from the inbox in Gmail. There's like thousands of them. I think it's like over 10,000 in this account. And I don't know if any of you have discovered when people open their inboxes, you find this situation happening a lot. Some will have 30, 40,000 because they just don't address it. So how can you get it done in 1 or 2 clicks? So you open it up. This is going to be done on a PC. I'm not sure if it can be done on a mobile device because the features aren't there, all the buttons, but we'll go and we'll say in and a colon and you write unread and press enter and it will list it here. And here you see 1 of 50 of many. Now you can go change it in the back end to change it to 1 of 250, but I think that's the max that you can make selection on one page. So if I select here, that's going to be 50 at a time. It says 50 conversations. Okay. But interesting enough, if you want to do any other filters, you can click on advanced search filters or even here, and it will pull up where you can refine your search. That's if you don't want to delete everything in your inbox that is unread. Okay, so what we do is we can go here and make the selection of your first 50. Then it gives you an option here. And this is quite key. This is the point here. Select all conversions that match this. Now, although you are selecting the ones that you have here, but you wanted to do with everything. So that is the 10,000 that you have there. Of course, make sure that everything that you want to delete is what you don't want. So if you click this button, it now goes and it does a selection of all 10,968. Okay, and then you go and you press the delete button. And let's see how that goes. Okay, it says this action will affect all conversations in the search. Do you want to continue? This is a bulk action. Okay, you click yes. And let's wait. You see that's 10,900. You'll see all of that disappear soon. So it's busy doing the processing of clearing all of that off. I know for some of you who have been doing this 10 at a time or 50 or 200 at a time, you probably want to say, yeah, why didn't I learn this earlier? But share this idea with some folks, share this video with some people who are sitting with this problem of having unlimited number of stuff. So the other thing is if you had filtered things out into subfolders, you can do that and then go into the subfolder and then do all the stuff that says unread in that subfolder. I'm just doing this for everything that's in the inbox. Okay, there we go. 10,600 and somewhat all gone. So if we now go down to, let's see, I'm going to go to trash. And here we just have a single button here. See, it says 150. So it's put all of those into trash, I assume. I haven't checked this before I did that, but we have 11,000 a year. This button is already quite visible, so we can just click that and say, okay. So we don't need to make even a selection. We can just click the empty trash button now. And while I'm at it, I'm going to just clean out the spam folder. Okay, it's busy doing 11,000 email messages deleting. There we go. And while I'm at it, clean out the spam folder, delete all spam messages. Same thing, they have a dialog that's there immediately. Then I have 4 drafts. I just want to remove them. I can go through that in the conventional way. Let's see discard drafts. So this person is starting off with a brand new look and feel. Something that I do with a lot of people is do their setup of the inbox, and maybe this will help you. I can do it at the same time. Just go to the cog, go to see all settings. You see labels, inbox, accounts. You go to inbox, and I go and choose unread first. Usually it's on default where you have all of these promotion stuff coming up, and these things are usually checked and so forth. My standard is I come here and I will go and say unread first, and then go at the bottom and save it. This is saved in any case. What it does is it lays out your stuff nicely. Whatever's unread will show you. Everything else will show down at the bottom here. Okay. So, yeah, that's how it works. I think what I am going to do is here. Let's see if we select that. And yeah, so these are stuff that I have seen. So I can also go and inbox and read. Okay, so there it's pulling up all the stuff that's in my inbox that's read. Now this is an account of somebody who doesn't use this anymore and they want everything cleared up, everything in the inbox, whether it's read or not. So we'll do it the exact same way. We click there to make selection. We select all conversations and then we click the delete button. Same thing happens. So now everything that's unread and read in the inbox will be cleared out. It's refreshing there now and we have absolutely no mail. That's a good way also of clearing up all your space that's unnecessarily used if you want to use this from scratch. Great stuff. Hopefully that helped you, and have a blessed day, and shalom to you all.